Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. No matter where you are right now, at home, on a walk, or taking a break, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about something that confuses almost every English learner: simple past and present perfect.
These two tenses seem so similar, but they're used in very different situations.
Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a natural and simple way, please like this episode, share it with your friends.
All right, let's get started.
So first, why do learners confuse simple past and present perfect?
Because both talk about the past. That's what makes it tricky.
Right, but even though both are about the past, the feeling and usage are completely different.
The simple past talks about finished actions at a specific time in the past.
The present perfect connects the past to the present. It's about experience or something that's still relevant now.
Let's break that down and make it simple.
Let's start with the simple past. When do we use it?
We use simple past for actions that finished at a specific time in the past.
For example, I went to Paris last year.
Last year is the specific time. The trip is finished.
She studied English in 2020.
2020 is the specific time. It's finished.
We watched a movie yesterday.
Yesterday is the specific time. It's over.
Can you see? Simple past always has a specific time.
Let's practice. I ate breakfast this morning.
He worked there 5 years ago.
They moved to New York in 2015.
She called me last night.
All finished actions at specific times.
Now let's talk about the structure of simple past.
For regular verbs, we add ed.
Walk, walked. Play, played. Study, studied.
For irregular verbs, the form changes.
Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Have, had.
The structure is subject plus past verb.
I worked, she went, they ate.
For negatives, subject plus didn't plus base verb.
I didn't work, she didn't go, they didn't eat.
For questions, did plus subject plus base verb.
Did you work? Did she go? Did they eat?
Simple and straightforward.
Now let's talk about present perfect. This one is more complex.
Yes, present perfect is harder because the feeling is different.
We use present perfect when the exact time is not important or not mentioned.
Or when the action has a connection to now.
For example, I have been to Paris.
No specific time mentioned. We're talking about your experience.
She has studied English.
Again, no specific time. We're talking about her experience.
We have watched that movie.
The time doesn't matter. We're saying we have the experience.
Can you see? No specific time.
Let's talk about the structure of present perfect.
The structure is have or has plus past participle.
For regular verbs, the past participle is the same as simple past, verb plus ed.
Walk, walked. Play, played. Study, studied.
For irregular verbs, the past participle can be different.
Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Have, had.
We use have with I, you, we, and they.
I have worked. You have gone. We have eaten.
We use has with he, she, and it.
He has worked. She has gone. It has happened.
For negatives, haven't or hasn't plus past participle.
I haven't worked. She hasn't gone. They haven't eaten.
That's the structure.
Now let's compare simple past and present perfect.
Great idea. Same action, different tenses.
Simple past, I went to Paris last year.
Present perfect, I have been to Paris.
Can you feel the difference?
With simple past, we know when, last year, it's finished.
With present perfect, the time doesn't matter. We're talking about experience.
Another example. Simple past, she ate sushi yesterday.
Present perfect, she has eaten sushi before.
Simple past focuses on a specific time. Present perfect focuses on experience.
One more. Simple past, I saw that movie last week.
Present perfect, I have seen that movie.
The feeling is completely different.
Let's talk about time expressions. This is really important.
Yes, certain time words go with simple past and others go with present perfect.
Simple past time words, yesterday, last week, last year, in 2020, ago, when I was young.
All of these are specific finished times.
I traveled to Japan last month.
She worked there 3 years ago.
We met in 2019.
All simple past.
Present perfect time words, ever, never, already, yet, just, recently, so far, up to now.
These don't specify exact times.
Have you ever been to Japan?
She has never worked abroad.
We have already met.
All present perfect.
Let's focus on some specific uses of present perfect.
Yes, there are several situations where we use present perfect.
First, life experiences, when we talk about things we have or haven't done in our lives.
I have traveled to 15 countries.
She has never eaten snails.
Have you ever seen the Northern Lights?
They have visited the Eiffel Tower.
All life experiences.
Notice we don't say when. The time doesn't matter.
It's about the experience itself.
Second use, actions that started in the past and continue to now.
This is a big one. We use for or since with this.
I have lived here for 5 years.
You started 5 years ago and you still live here now.
She has worked there since 2020.
She started in 2020 and still works there.
We have known each other for a long time.
The friendship started in the past and continues now.
Let's practice. He has studied English for 3 years.
They have been married since 2015.
I have had this car for 6 months.
All continuous from past to now.
Third use, recent actions with just, already, and yet.
Yes, these show very recent past.
I have just finished my homework.
Just means very recently, a moment ago.
She has already eaten dinner.
Already means sooner than expected.
Have you done your homework yet?
Yet is used in questions and negatives about expected actions.
I haven't finished yet.
Let's practice. He has just arrived.
We have already seen that movie.
Has she called you yet?
They haven't left yet.
Now let's practice with a real conversation.
Great. Let's talk about travel experiences.
So, have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I have. I went to Italy last summer.
Oh, that's wonderful. How long did you stay?
I stayed for 2 weeks. It was amazing.
What cities did you visit?
I visited Rome, Florence, and Venice. Have you been to Italy?
No, I haven't, but I have been to France.
Really? When did you go?
I went 3 years ago. I stayed in Paris for a week.
That sounds great. Did you like it?
I loved it. I have never seen such beautiful architecture.
I know what you mean. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I have just returned from Spain last week.
Spain. I have always wanted to go there.
You should. I visited Barcelona and Madrid.
How long have you been interested in traveling?
I have loved traveling since I was a child. My parents took me to different places.
That's wonderful. Where did they take you?
They took me to Mexico, Canada, and Japan. I have so many great memories.
That's amazing. I haven't been to Asia yet, but I want to go soon.
You should definitely go. Have you made any plans?
Not yet. I've been too busy with work, but I've already started saving money.
Good for you. Let me know when you go. I can give you some advice.
Did you hear how we switch between simple past and present perfect?
Yes, we used simple past when mentioning specific times.
I went to Italy last summer. I went 3 years ago.
And we used present perfect for experiences and indefinite times.
Have you ever been to Europe? I have just returned from Spain.
We used present perfect for experiences and indefinite times.
Have you ever been to Europe? I have just returned from Spain.
The conversation sounded completely natural. Let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, this is really important.
One big mistake is using present perfect with specific time expressions.
Wrong. I have gone to Paris last year.
Correct. I went to Paris last year. Use simple past with specific times.
Another mistake is using simple past with ever or never.
Wrong. Did you ever went to Japan?
Correct. Have you ever been to Japan? Use present perfect with ever.
Another mistake is using simple past for actions continuing to now.
Wrong. I lived here for 5 years. This sounds like you don't live here anymore.
Correct. I have lived here for 5 years. You still live here.
The tense changes the meaning.
Another mistake is using present perfect with ago.
Wrong. I saw her 3 days ago.
Correct. I saw her 3 days ago. Ago always uses simple past.
These are the most common mistakes.
Let's practice identifying which tense to use.
I'll give you a sentence with a blank and a time expression.
Ready? I blank to the gym yesterday.
Simple past. I went to the gym yesterday. Yesterday is specific.
She blank English for 5 years, and she still studies now.
Present perfect. She has studied English for 5 years. Continuous to now.
We blank that movie last week.
Simple past. We watched that movie last week. Last week is specific.
Blank, you ever blank sushi before. Eat.
Ever. Present perfect. Have you ever eaten sushi before? Life experience.
They blank to New York in 2019.
Move. Simple past. They moved to New York in 2019. Specific year.
I blank just blank my homework.
Finish. Present perfect. I have just finished my homework. Recent action.
Perfect. Let's create a story using both tenses.
Great idea. I'll tell you about my friend Sarah. Sarah has lived in our city for 10 years. She moved here in 2015.
She came from California. She wanted a change in her life.
Since she arrived, she has made many friends. She has also learned to speak Spanish.
Last year, she started taking classes. She studied hard and passed all her exams.
Sarah has traveled a lot in her life. She has been to 20 countries.
Her favorite trip was to Thailand. She went there 2 years ago.
She stayed for a month and visited many beautiful places. She has never forgotten that experience.
Recently, Sarah has been very busy. She got a promotion at work last month.
She has worked at the same company since she moved here. She loves her job.
Yesterday, I saw her at the coffee shop. She told me about her new position.
She said she was excited, but also nervous. I've known Sarah for 8 years, and I've never seen her so happy.
We've been friends since 2017. We met at a language exchange event.
Since then, we have helped each other learn English and Spanish. It's been a wonderful friendship.
That story used both tenses perfectly.
Yes, simple past for specific finished times, present perfect for experiences in ongoing situations.
This is exactly how native speakers naturally switch between these tenses. Let's talk about for and since with present perfect.
Yes, these are very important.
For is used with a period of time, how long something has lasted.
For 5 years, for 2 months, for a week, for a long time.
I have lived here for 5 years.
She has worked there for 3 months.
Since is used with a starting point, when something began.
Since 2020, since Monday, since last year, since I was a child.
I have lived here since 2020.
She has worked there since January.
For equals duration, since equals starting point.
Let's practice. He has studied English for 2 years.
He has studied English since 2023.
We have known each other for ages.
We have known each other since high school.
Can you see the difference?
Let's practice with questions.
Simple past questions with specific times.
When did you arrive?
Where did you go last weekend?
What did you eat for dinner?
Who did you see yesterday?
All simple past.
Present perfect questions without specific times.
Have you ever been to London?
How long have you lived here?
Have you finished your homework yet?
Has she told you the news?
All present perfect.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Try making your own sentences with simple past and present perfect.
Think about your experiences. Where have you been? What have you done?
Think about specific times. What did you do yesterday, last week?
Write your sentences in the comments. We'd love to see them.
Don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn.
Practice switching between the tenses.
I went to the store yesterday. I have been to that store many times.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Soon, you'll feel which tense is right. Let's do a quick review.
Simple past is for finished actions at specific times in the past.
Structure, subject plus past verb. I went. She worked.
Time words, yesterday, last week, ago, in 2020, when I was young.
Present perfect is for life experiences, actions continuing to now, and recent actions.
Structure, have or has plus past participle. I have gone. She has worked.
Time words, ever, never, just, already, yet, for, since, recently.
Simple past equals specific time, finished.
Present perfect equals no specific time or connection to now.
That's the key difference.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
We create new episodes every week to help you learn real, everyday English.
Leave a comment below with your practice sentences.
We love hearing from you and seeing your progress.
Understanding simple past and present perfect is essential for natural English.
These tenses are used constantly in conversation.
Thanks so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.